Bonjour, bonjour. This is your sous chef, Zerfron, and you watching a Snapchat short, baby, where we go right into it. Keep it simple, keep it funny, and we might say a couple words that kids don't like. So, parental discretion is advised, shot. Come on now, let's get cooking. Let go. I like it. Alright, folks, it's time to make some red beans and rice, mama style. Real meaty, chunky, lovely. This is my mama's meaty recipe. So here we go. Let's get ready. Let's get cooking. Like, share, subscribe. King Creole Chef. I added some Worcestershire. I like to add this little salt in this early. That way some of it can cook off. But we're going to let this go for a little bit longer. And in a separate skillet, I'm going to go ahead and start on my ground meat. I said some ground meat. So we're going to put in some ground meat, 2 different kinds of sausage. Unfortunately, the store was out of ugly sausage, freaking Corona. But we're going to put in some sausage, put that sausage in there, and then I'll be back when this cooked down a little bit more. In the meantime, I'm just dancing. Browning this ground meat, and the only reason I'm browning this separately is so that I can drain off the fat. I don't want to make the beans too greasy. Between this and the sausage, I don't want it to be overly greasy. So we're gonna cook a little bit of this off a little bit more, get it all going great, baby. Because I'm special. You all who know me know that. So why not, you know? So it don't have to be all the way browned, but we're gonna go with this. You know what? All that juice and flavor in there. Yeah, baby. What? What did you do, baby? Oh, yeah. So I'm using kind of like a hot sausage as well as a smoked sausage over here. Let's cut these up. I got so many people commenting on my status about food. I don't ever hear from y'all until I'm cooking. And it's like, oh, I'm coming over. It's free. No, it ain't free. Damn it. No. So I got those going. I'm going to brown this around. It's happening, baby. All right. That's that. Looking great. Looking scrumptious. And, yes. We're going to add the sauces to that. Oh, yeah.
Oh, my God. He burned the skillet. Oh, no. What do you do now? You just take some beer.
We're going to deglaze it a little bit with the beer, yes. And pour that in a pot. That's just that extra flavor, baby, how they say. Like, for real, though. God, you have no idea. Never feel like you messed up when you burn the skillet a little bit with what you're doing. Where you think roux came from? Duh. Here, I added my sausage. Just going to add about 2 smoked paprika. I want that flavor to come out. Now I'm going to add some of my Tony's. Want that seasoning to come out of there a bit right there. And this other little skillet. Ooh, I got this goodness. Oh, yes. Pour that in there. Ooh. And then I'm going to stir it up. You always get your meat part right first. Because the beans, what I have going, soaking over here, they already expanded, and they're gonna cook and cook, and it's like, oh, where's your roux? Well, you're gonna make your sauce out of your beans. You're gonna end up mashing up some, and it's gonna thicken up it's gonna just wait. Oh my God, you have no idea. You have no idea. All right, so for now, here's this. I'm gonna let this marinate cook just a bit and just get all together, and then I'll be back. I'm gonna add some water, pretty much enough to cover the beans, and mix it around so the beans and all the meat can be all in between this goodness, and bring my fire up to a boil, and I'm gonna cut it down on the simmer, and I'm gonna let it simmer for probably a good hour and a half. Enough, stirring it probably every 20-30 minutes or so, just to make sure the beans are starting to get softened. And when they get soft, oh yeah, baby, here we go, break it down. Just in case you wanted to see what I did. Here we go. Oh my goodness.
Witness the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you.